So you've done something so big where there was a news about your death. So let's begin by, why don't you tell us how you feel? How did you feel when the media and the celebs and everybody was reacting to this news and, yesterday and all the noise that was being made online?
Janvi, first of all, I want to apologize. I think I've hurt a lot of people, lot of my friends, lot of my loved ones, and I'm feeling terrible right now for doing that. Um, I've been getting insane amount of calls and people are sending messages. They're crying. I want to apologize to everyone first. But I want to tell you this. I did this for a cause. I did not make any money out of this. This was specifically for a cause. Cervical cancer, nobody, literally, I know a lot of people that they are not aware about. They don't even know what cervical cancer is. So hence, and nobody, Janvi, nobody was willing to take this campaign. I took it. I know it was extreme. I sincerely apologize to everyone for this. But I want to tell people my mom had cancer. My mom was on a very, she was quite severe when she was going through it. And I am glad that since yesterday, Janvi, all I'm reading and all I'm seeing is about cervical cancer. So my message has gone right. I know I'm gonna get a lot of galis, and I'm already been getting with from all my beautiful, beautiful friends. My best friend Saisha is angry at me. I just saw her message, and I feel terrible that that Shardul, one of my friend, I saw his text right now. I saw his video, and a lot of my bestest friends are sending me messages by saying, "How can you do this? This is not a joke." I know this is not a joke, but at least my message has reached right to everyone. I think all my fans, every second person in India right now is aware of cervical cancer, and my message has gone out right. तो अब मुझे आप गालियां दो, but my work is done. I was just doing that, and it was for a cause again.
But Poonam, like इतना drastic step
It's a
क्यों choose किया
terrible,
हमने?
it's a terrible, terrible feeling. I am I'm shivering right now. My friends are super angry at me. I don't know how I will convey, make them normal again, because I don't know if they'll even talk to me. I don't know, but I did this for a good cause. It was purely for a good cause, and I did not made no money out of it. It was purely for a good cause. Freak.
So Poonam, I want you to tell us that इतना drastic step क्या इसकी वजह क्या थी? हमने इतना drastic step क्यों लिया to speak about your death to get people to talk?
Because Janvi, कितने सारे लोग हैं इंडिया में जिनको सर्विकल कैंसर के बारे में नहीं पता. The bizarrest thing, 40% globally, women, they've died of cervical cancer, जिसमें से 23% महिलाएं सिर्फ भारत की हैं. और इसकी वैक्सीनेशन बाहर पिछले 17 साल से अवेलेबल है. ये प्रिवेंटेबल है. तो क्यों नहीं आप जाके वैक्सीनेशन लेते हो? तो I had to, and I'm glad people are talking about it. And I'm sure that women will start taking care of them, because we don't. We are just busy taking care of your family, your loved ones. Women are just busy doing that, which is beautiful. But please, ladies, take care of yourself also. That's all. That's the news I wanted to go out. And yeah.
In case all of you all don't know, it is you just need a simple pap smear test,
Yes.
a regular checkup,
Yes.
HPV vaccine, and what is more shocking is that only 11% women in India have gotten HPV
Yeah,
vaccine so
actually,
far.
that's only 11%. It's,
And we are nearly 50% of the population.
yes.
Uh, that being said, there's another data that I will take a moment to share. We get roughly 96,000 cases of cervical cancer uh, in India every year, and the number of deaths because of it is more than 60,000.
Yes.
And globally, there are more than 6 lakh cases of cervical cancer, and more than 3 lakh women die of it. And we're taking this moment to apologize for doing something so drastic. But like Poonam said, हम ये नहीं करते तो शायद आप लोग इस बारे में बात नहीं करते, शायद नेशनल टेलीविजन में सर्विकल कैंसर के बारे में बात नहीं होती. हमने कल रात को देखा that everybody was talking about it, everybody was researching about it. In fact, Poonam Pandey and cervical cancer were the top Google trends throughout the day. Even right now, it's one of the top Google trends because people are talking about
I
it.
mean,
And इसके बारे में
I would not care, ठीक है, if through my message, if people are searching that, I'm just happy of the fact that people are aware of this cancer right now. Yeah.
that being said, this is, I think, a very
And
big,
I'm and
this
I'm
is an example that you're
I'm really
setting.
I'm shaking right now. You have no idea what I'm going through and how many people have to apologize. My PR team, everyone, nobody had no clue where I am. I was supposed to, just underground myself completely, and um, nobody knew where I went. So I genuinely want to apologize to Parul, my beautiful, beautiful PR. She had to go through a lot because she had no idea. So I'm sorry, Parul, if you're watching this. I'm sorry to everyone. I'm sorry to Sasha. I'm sorry, Shav. I'm sorry. I'm genuinely, I'm sorry if I've hurt you. I didn't. That was not my intention.
That being said, I will also add another thing that 99% of the cervical cancer cases are preventable. With
Yes.
Poonam doing this, she is right now taking a lot of backlash. There is a lot of
Yes.
hate, and we've done this for a cause. We are a women-led platform, we're a women-centric
Yes.
platform, and we are okay with the hate that we get, provided we save some lives. If it means that we have to take some hate and some pain, that's okay. Poonam has done this. She's been so brave through it all. Our entire team at Hortifly at Shebang has been very brave. They've all held their heads high, and Poonam, like a queen, has held her head high. And that's our messaging to you. This is the opportunity. This is why we have to talk about it, because it is not being talked about. We
Yes.
can save lives, 99% of lives. It's preventable, guys. And there's a lot of narrative that the biggest cause of it is don't have sex. But listen, I'm sorry, but we are all
Yeah.
human beings. It's a part and parcel of our lives. Yes, protection, safe sex practices are, of course, very important for it. But more importantly, we'll have to focus on the HPV vaccine. We'll have to focus on pap
Yes.
smears. We'll have to focus
Guys,
on the test.
please.
And we have to talk about this every day. And Poonam is going to be a part of the journey. She is going to be actively talking about it from here on. And we are going to be there. There is more coming. We're going to be talking to people and listen to their struggle stories, because I think a lot of people in the comments have been saying that cancer destroys lives, and that is true. It does. We've seen families being
My mother
destroyed.
had
So
cancer. I told you, right? I know what we went through. The entire house was shaken up. So whichever, yeah, I mean, just doing my bits and pieces out there. I know, strong one, but yeah, song is a message as
also,
well.
we've put together a website, Poonam Pandey is Alive. That's
Yes.
where you go to get all your information about cervical cancer. That's where you go to book your pap smear. That's where you go to find out all your information about your HPV vaccine. And that's our message, guys. Please go on the site, get your information right, share that information because that is what really matters. That is why we did all of this. All of this cervical cancer is avoidable, guys. Why are we letting
I'm just
60,000,
reading
more than
these comments
60,000
down.
women die? And not just that, I think even the men need to read up about it. This is not just about women. Men also need to read up about it to help and support the women in your lives. Your mothers, your daughters, your friends, your colleagues, everybody. They need your support and push them to go take the vaccine, push them to go for their pap smears because
I'm
women don't,
sure,
like
Janvi,
Poonam said,
I'm sure they will now. I'm 100% sure. What's
क्योंकि
the
अब आप
amount?
जब Google
It's
search
on
करेंगे
Google
पूनम
Trends.
पांडे.
It's no. Let my name out. The cervical cancer since yesterday it's been trending on Google on number one. So the message has gone out. That's all I wanted, and I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm happy for Shebang to come up with this idea, and we did this. So yeah, quite grateful.
Poonam, what after this? How do you plan to take this forward? Why don't you tell people?
I obviously I will be meeting more and more, cervical cancer patients, and we'll hear their stories. We'll understand what all preventions we have to take and what all can be done. So I'm going to aggressively working on this. I'm going to do that.
Uh, Poonam, so
Sorry, I'm little.
No, no, it's okay. I can understand it is you're still dealing with a lot.
Okay.
But I will also add to this that in our comments, that's a good news for you, Poonam. We're seeing a lot of people who are saying that they've taken their daughters for the cervical cancer vaccine. They've taken their daughters
Nice.
for the HPV
Oh,
vaccine. So we've
nice.
made an impact
Nice.
there. That being, and we're also getting messages from people saying that they're doing this and they're booking their pap smears as well. um Also, Poonam, we saw that your friends, a lot of celebrities have spoken about cervical cancer and they've spoken about the need of awareness, the need for a lot of more chatter. How do you feel about that?
It feels great. Celebrities like Kangna Ranawat, my friend Munawar, they all are. I mean, I know I have to. It feels good that people are talking and spreading the awareness of cervical cancer.
Okay, and also, how do you feel about the fact that right now, last night, in fact, national television pay, we saw like a lot of debates and conversations about cervical cancer, about the HPV vaccine, which was also part of the 2024 budget.
Yeah,
Um, we saw big platforms, even on social media. We saw Dr. Cutres doing a live about
yeah.
the HPV vaccine and about cervical cancer. We saw channels like NDTV, Times Now. We saw PopX, who big platforms. All of them were constantly talking and putting out awareness posts. How do you feel about that? What is your take on that?
Like I said, Janvi, I knew I would get a lot of backlash. I knew I was somewhere mentally prepared for this. But uh, since yesterday, if the entire nation is only talking about cervical cancer, the message has gone out right. Every platform, right from every TV channel to most of the celebrities, they all are talking about cervical cancer. So my job is done. Now I know I'm gonna get more galis. I know that, but it was for a good cause. Again, I'm saying my work is done.
What's your response to all the hate that you're getting? Are you going to be doing something more to not just to apologize, but to take this cause further apart from speaking and meeting
Yeah.
people?
I will be meeting, like I said, we'll be putting on more stories and we'll be meeting more cervical cancer patients. As much as awareness I can put out, I will do that from my bit. I will do that.
And we're happy to be a part of your journey as well
Thank you.
while
Thank
we're
you.
at it.
Thank you.
And we're here to answer any questions about cervical cancer in case anybody has any questions.
Well, I can see a lot of.
I, I
I
think
don't know.
सबके पास बहुत सवाल है, but surprisingly, I've
That is
realized
some
that
madness. Oh God. I don't know how
I
I'm
think
gonna deal with this.
Poonam,
It's just I
I
think
think people have questions about you, not about cervical cancer anymore, क्योंकि अभी उसकी awareness तो हो गई है, सबने already पढ़ लिया है, news channels पे देख लिया है. So we've done our job right, and we're really sorry for hurting all of you, but
please,
it was
I
for a good cause. So we'll continue to stand by it, and we'll continue to do the right thing to make noise to get people to talk about women and women's health. I think we should end it at that.
yes.
Poonam, do you have a message? Anything that you want the viewers and readers to talk about, to do anything that you want their support?
Well, I just want to tell you guys, like you can see, I'm happy I'm alive. Just little sad that I've hurt my loved ones and my fans. But please, guys, understand. I will again repeat myself that this was for a good cause. I did not. This was not for any money. This was not for nothing. This was just to spread the awareness about cervical cancer, and my message has gone out right. I know you'll hate me. I'll try. मैं कोशिश करूंगी मैं आपसे वापस से I but my message has gone out right, so apologize once again. That's what I want to say.
And we stand by our cause. While it may have hurt people, we're glad we did it because we got people to talk, and
But so yeah.
that's that's all. We're still even today, even right now, people are still searching for cervical cancer. It's still a top trend. So we still continue to raise awareness, and we're happy that we're able to do this and be a part of this journey.
All right.
And we'll end it at that. Thank you,
Yes.
everybody. Thank you, Poonam.
Thank you, Janvi. Thank you for being here with me. Thank you. Appreciate it.
ऐसी ही और खबरों से हमेशा अपडेट रहने के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो लाइक और शेयर करना ना भूलें।